Named by USA Today as one of the top 10 best lodges in America's national park system, Glacier Park Lodge prides itself on preservation and protecting the environment. Etched into Montana's Rocky Mountains with pristine landscape, a picture-perfect mountain view, and proximity to vast wilderness, Glacier Park Lodge is a traveler's dream. With a history dating back to 1913, some systems the lodge and their guests rely on were a little outdated. For example, this 108-year-old wooden piping that was used initially to transport drinking water. But don't worry. More recently, it was put to work delivering water for golf course and garden irrigation. Up until 2021, the lodge was using their drinking water to irrigate those gardens and front lawn. Local water authorities informed them that due to water scarcity, they would need to discontinue using the treated water and find an alternate way to irrigate the garden. Fortunately, they didn't have to look too far for another water source. The nearby Midvale Creek Dam gathers water from the melting snowcaps of the mountains. With renewed efforts to conserve drinking water for East Glacier and the surrounding areas, the maintenance team went to work building a new system to route water from the dam to the lodge using HDPE, or high-density polyethylene pipe.
That HDPE really is excellent fit because it's flexible and it can also absorb those stresses without cracking or separating at the joints. So unlike the other rigid piping materials fused HDPE, it creates a continuous leak-free system, and it can expand, it can also contract with temperature changes.
High Country Fusion provided over 1,000 feet of 4-inch DR11 pipe and fittings, and a McElroy Pit Bull 14 machine to complete the butt fusions. The project consisted of fusing each stick of pipe, disconnecting the lodge's front lawn garden from the treated water, connecting to the creek water, and then burying the pipeline. The new installation of HDPE is building a bridge between the two different systems by using part of the infrastructure underground in the front lawn, feeding the other end with the creek water through the pipe. After the lawn and plants absorb the water, any surplus will go right back into the Midvale Creek.
So it's got heated and fused joints, and they create a monolithic piping system, and it virtually eliminates leaks, which is especially important when conserving water, and also it reduces maintenance costs. HDPE is also corrosive resistant, and it requires fewer fittings because it's flexible. So for a historic property like Glacier Park Lodge, those benefits translate into lower life cycle costs, greater reliability, and there's also less disruption to the surrounding environment, which we want to keep looking just like it does.